Hi everyone, Caroline here. Question for you. When was the last time you had an external energy activation that really jump started you? An activation that made you feel that you could now start moving or changing direction or shifting or doing that thing that you've wanted to do but have not had the energy to do or doing that new thing. When was the last time that you really felt excited about an energy activation? Let me tell you, I am so excited because I received an activation, a spontaneous one, an unexpected one in which I was not even seeking or calling or looking. I was just laying there asleep, just not thinking about anything, just not feeling anything because I was so tired. I have been so tired in the last many months. I've been going through so much. I haven't been able to do anything. And then one day I'm just laying there sleeping and I wake up at about 2 o'clock in the morning, 3 in the morning, around about that time. And I'm just like, you know what? I just need to listen to something because I personally, as a habit, like to sleep when I'm listening to something, usually things that really lift up my spirit and whatnot. So that particular night or morning, I'm just looking at YouTube and I'm thinking, I need to find something interesting to fall asleep to, man, because I can't sleep. Then all of a sudden, I was guided to go to this channel, and this person usually invites different people to come to his channel and they speak about whatever spiritual topic they're guided to talk about or whatever. But I didn't really know who was going to pick from that group. And I was just like, okay, fine, let me pick this person and fall asleep. So this person, beautiful woman, had a very nice aura and whatnot. I was like, oh, this probably someone I can fall asleep to. Let me tell you, the moment that woman started speaking, my third eye chakra started opening up. Like it just started widening. Like this whole section of my third eye started widening and just crackling. And I started experiencing this expansion of my third eye chakra. And usually I just feel that my third eye opening up around this section. But this time around, the more I heard that woman speaking, the more this section of my head, my forehead, and my third eye started throbbing. And I was just like, what is happening to me? What is this woman saying? But my head was so heavy on my pillow, I couldn't even lift it up. You know what I mean? I just started allowing that expansion to happen. And something started happening in my body, and I started feeling so lifted up. And then I fell into a deep sleep. And I was just like, oh my gosh, this is exciting. So the next morning, I started coming out of the slump slowly by slowly. I started feeling like I had some extra energy to come out of the slump, to start at least talking about certain things. And that's why I came back on YouTube. You know what I mean? My mind started coming together. I was able to cobble up some sentences and begin to speak coherently or to start expressing myself again. The funny thing is that I was so tired. My body was so physically tired, but my mind, which had been stuck for a long, long time, started working again. You know what I mean? And it has been after a long, 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 long period of extreme and intense stress. That night, that morning, there was an activation from the voice, the sound of the voice, the frequency of the voice of a complete stranger who was just talking to someone else on YouTube. And these are the things that really make my heart expand because when I think about it, human beings, real human beings, the sound frequency, the energy, the activations that come from their voices is what is really going to change the world. This AI stuff that just speaks in this monotone, droning, numbing frequencies are not going to expand us. Of course, they'll provide information, but they will not expand us and they will not activate us. So that was the exciting thing. So have you ever really experienced an activation from someone's voice, from just hearing the high frequency that comes from a real human being? I mean, that was so exciting to me. And then the other interesting thing is because I was so excited about that specific woman and what her sound activation had done for me, I decided, you know what, let me listen to this woman again. Let me look for another video to see if something similar is going to happen. And who is this woman? I was really now curious about this person. So the next night, again, just before I went to sleep, I started listening to another video of hers. Oh my God, guys, let me just tell you, I have never ever left my body that fast. I usually have these OBE experiences where I leave my body and I go places, but that was the speediest and the most unusual way that I left my body this time around. And I'm just going to have to make a dedicated video to just talk about that experience. This woman, there was something in her voice, there was something in her frequency, there was something in the way that Spirit had created this opportunity and this synchronicity and this chance that I had to jump onto. Because if I missed the chance, obviously these things were not going to be happening. That is the reason why we need to always jump on opportunities and really follow the leading of our spirit, even if it means you're waking up at 2 a.m. in the morning. When you hear spirit telling you to do something or to click on something or to take some kind of action, especially now because things are really moving fast. Jump on those opportunities. Don't wait. Don't wait. No more waiting. That waiting timeline has collapsed, and now it's the year of the fire horse, and things are like moving really, really quick. So we really have to get with the program. So, anyway, that was the exciting thing. And I wanted to share with you, maybe based on my own experience and just based on the fact that if something is happening to one person, it will happen for another person or it's going to be flowing through into the system. I'm sharing this. Expect unexpected, spontaneous activations coming from external sources. And I'm not talking about low frequency ones, I'm talking about high frequency ones. And those are going to really push you and usher you into the space that you need to be. Things have changed. Open up, allow the energy to flow and trust it and flow with it and do what you got to do. Let me know what you think about this and if you have received any activations and whatnot. Okay, I love you guys. See you next time. Bye.